war. When he will educate himself for cooperation and to offer each other solidarity, that day he will be educating himself for peace. UN gives a message to the whole world to respect each other because an environment of peace can only be created of people respecting each other. When people start to respect others' feelings and others' religions, peace develops in the region. Now I call Raida and the team for specializing.
World Peace Day is observed every year on 21st September. It is United Nations designated day. United Nations organization was established to make this world peaceful and terror-free. The International Day of Peace was established in 1981. The first International Day of Peace was celebrated in 1982. Peace is always beautiful. 2 rules for peaceful life. Depression in failure should never go to heart and ego in success never go to brain. Peace is necessary for life, for living and for happiness. Peace is necessary for existence of this world. The absence of peace in any region of the world is responsible for the death of many people. If any area is suffering from war or terror, then their life is badly affected in many ways. Positive peace is more than a concept, it is a practical approach for those who wish to initiate social change. Positive peace represents the attitude and structure that create and sustain peaceful society. Right is more precious than peace. A heart of peace is always the best problem solver. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I hope all of you enjoy our assembly program. Have an amazing day ahead. Thank you.